Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litera Z School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with 9th chapter of business studies of class 11th, and today we are going to discuss large scale retailers. And today I have selected two topics for discussion. One is departmental store and other is multiple shop. So what are departmental store? A departmental store is a large retail showroom having a number of departments under one single roof. Each department specializes in one line of product. Each of the departments is like a separate shop with centralized purchasing, selling and accounting. Administrative activities of the department store are managed by a general manager. The general manager appoints departmental manager for each department. There are certain features of departmental stores. First, large size, wide range variety, departmentally organized, central purchases, centrally located services, elimination of middlemen, advertising. Now moving to multiple chain or chain stores. Multiple shops refers to number of identical retail shops located in different parts of the city. These shops are owned and controlled by a single organization. These chain stores may be established by manufacturer or trader. In USA, these shops are known as chain stores, but these are popular as multiple shops in Europe. For example, in India, Bata stores, DCM stores are one of the best examples of multiple shops or chain stores. Now, what are the features that multiple shops possess? It is also operated at large scale, but they are specialized in one line. Generally, chain stores specialize in one line of product, and variety of that line is available at all the shops located in different areas. Centralized purchasing, decentralized sale. Each chain store has its independent sales as these stores are located in different parts of the city and country. Quality, elimination of middlemen. Chain stores are generally owned by manufacturers who sell their goods directly to the consumer. So middlemen are eliminated. There is no chance of middleman in this concept. Uniform price. The price of products charged by chain stores located in different parts of the city are the same and they sell the goods at the fixed price. There will be no variation in the price and price will be fixed. Then come cash sales. In chain stores, there is no credit is given. Goods are sold on cash basis only. But moving back again to departmental stores not only provide goods but they also provide number of services and facilities to the customers like post office, courier, telephone booth, food courts, restaurants, packing, free home delivery. Now, departmental store advertise on a large scale to attract customers from far and wide areas. They are having a wide range in the sense a departmental store deals with a wide range of products from low price to very expensive goods. Different varieties of goods are available in different departments. The store is departmentally organized. Goods offered for sale are classified and each department is specialized in one line of product only. Now, what does the word central purchase mean to departmental store? Purchase of all the departments are made centrally. The departmental managers give a list of their requirements to the general manager who make purchases for all the departments. Now, question arises of the location. A departmental store is located at a central place or in shopping center so that people from different parts of a city can easily reach there or access there. It is centrally located in the city so that from all the distance it covers the same or equal route. Then large size. A departmental store is a large scale retail showroom requiring a large amount of capital to be invested. So students, today we have discussed large scale retailers that are departmental store and multiple shops. So that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.